Dartmoor's made of underlying granite, which is a really tough rock, which erodes really slowly. The rivers tend to move around quite a lot because all this stuff here is all these deposits from the granite. It's all very sandy and gravelly, and so it gets washed away really easily. You can see here how this has been undercut, because it's just like soft sand and gravel with the odd like layer of peat and the odd layer of china clay. So it got eaten away more and more, and then a big chunk kind of falls off. But eating down is more hard work for the river because it's got to cut through granite. But moving sideways, meandering, they do that quite a lot because it's just this really soft clay. If I look over here, you can see the same thing over here. Just this that looks like china clay there, and then you've got like soft sandy gravel here, a layer of peat there, and if you look right down there, you can see a big sort of sand cliff there where the river's eating under this big sandy cliff deposit there. So lateral erosion very quick, downward erosion very slow. And also, because it's all sandy and there's not much clay, the water's all totally clear. And you can see, if it wasn't really ripply, you can see really clearly down to the bottom. So any fish you get in here, you can totally see them. And it's very different to at mine where it's clay, and you can only see down so far. And here the water's like crystal clear. So it's kind of different. Also these rivers where it's like rocky and sandy tend to be shallow and easier to cross when it's not too much water, but the clay rivers tend to be in really deep bits. So it's the makeup of the soil really affects the water and the depth of the river and loads of other things.